Constitution, Dr. B. Ambedkar.
Oh my
What
God.
right?
What
right? Why right?
What right?
Why right?
Please don't. Please make page number. He speak. You speak
Half cloth.
Oh, that is why.
That is why.
It is modern life. It is modern life. It is not style. His father, he asked, why you put on this? It is style. Your sister. Why you support modern life? If you don't know what is English, so why you support modern life? Yeah, और this time is Hyderabad. He cut a 400 acre forest.
Oh my God, they are.
It is yes.
This is very bad.
You know what? You know ozone परत.
Road, so he turned him home because he say बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया, so अब हम नहीं जा सकते.
Oh my God, what a bad mentality. Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for having me this wonderful opportunity. So today's debate, modern life versus olden people life good. So I support modern life is good, and because I have some point, I can prove modern life is good. So let's start. The first point is discrimination, and I think olden people was very discrimination for girls and boys, and this time is modern people was modern life is not discrimination for girls and boys. Olden people very discrimination, and they not cover of body of her cloth. They when cover olden people body like here and here, they give tax. But modern life not give tax. So modern life is very smart, and these people was very smart thinking about, and olden people was very superstition, like he go to market and cat was go on the road, so he go on the road, so he turned him home because he say बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया, so अब हम नहीं जा सकते.
Oh my God, what a bad mentality.
Of olden people thinking, but right now modern people was going to like market, and they बिल्ली was going to road, and he think जा रही है तो जाने दो, हमें अपना काम करना है.
Yes, very nice.
But his thinking was olden people, so I think olden life is bad. So I think I support modern life is good.
Yes, so let's listen to Mr.
Fun.
Afan's questions. Like ask questions. He's saying that superstition and discrimination and so many more points. Yes, ask question. Yes. Introduction. Yes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mohammad Affan. I would like to thank my teacher Karim Muhammad Jishan. He having me this wonderful opportunity. Today is debate. Debate topic is modern life is best and older life is best. I support older life is best. I speak. This time is very discrimination. You know, no.
First of all, let him speak.
This time is very discrimination. This time is one children he study. This time is very discrimination. But any one children he study in any school, any college, but he cannot study. His relation man, he is thinking it is not study, it is not best. But he second year he top in his school, so his relation man he thinking what is this?
Right now also discrimination.
Yes.
I think that people are still, they are not allowed to go to school properly.
You go school and he's sitting, you sit any Dalit work. So you listen. It is Dalit work. So you go any seat. It is my school.
Oh my God, that's very good. And one more point, she was talking about superstition. Andhvishwasi in olden time.
Yes, I will.
Speak that point.
This he write any chalk, any marker. So my classmate is not give me, not watching. He fake. He threw. So you say your second point. Superstition.
Yes.
This time is very superstition.
Superstition.
You ask बिल्ली ने रास्ता काटा.
Yes.
It is right.
No, this is not right.
It is right. I saw it is right. I saw my eyes.
But olden people very superstition. Like he believe in like वो क्या कहते हैं जादू टोना. And but this time was not man believe in जादू टोना.
It is this.
No jadoo tona is not believe. I can't believe jadoo tona.
Why you ask Jadoo Tona is not best, not right? You know any man come of in village. So he watch close one bartan, one pot. So he put on any item. So what is this? It is not Jadoo Tona. Healthy people.
At this point.
This time is very healthy people. This village he eat only green vegetables. This time he eat only chemical. This time yes it is chemical.
Yes.
Chowmein में कहा हड्डी छिपकली की हड्डी.
Oh my God.
ये मैं you think it is a lie, so you search in mic. It is right. Any man this olden time is drink milk. It is paver. This time is 50% milk and 50% water.
50%.
Yes.
Yes.
You have any question?
Yes. But right now in modern life is many population.
Oh my God.
Day per day.
Speak along.
So, in modern life, so that is why he is supporting olden life.
No, No, madam, I mean many population is day per day. So how can I any post like all human must eat food, water, anything. So how can I give मतलब सभी atom all the thing. So I use that chemical. But olden people were life no child, 2 child and 3 child, and king was only have 1 child. This time is 8 child, 5 child. So how can I give many product? So we use chemical. But olden people life 800 life, but this time people life age 65 years, and after he dead. So how can I take many products like many people day per day? In India population is right now how many? 27 crore.
No, 1.40.
1.40 crore in India population. How can I take water and food? So we can use chemical. But olden people have no population this.
It is wrong.
No, this is
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
My name is Ayush Gautam. I am speaking for modern life. Modern life is good, not electricity. Old life is very hard life. This
He asked not electricity
In olden life.
In olden life. This time in olden city, any man is die this electricity.
Oh my God.
So this time,
So people are dying.
this time,
Accident.
yes, he drank water. He start motor. He die.
give me my
Please.
but older people have no electricity. Like one child was very bimar and he go to hospital, but they have no hospital. Like one hospital like Ayurvedic dawa, but this time is many medicine and we take life. One second, sir. One second. And we are very hungry, but olden life was no food. When your food was destroyed, you are eating like pasta when they have no pasta. But listen. But this time you can order and they come in your house and you can eat. But olden people was no technology. How can I use this?
You ask very medicine. You ask
Yes.
first of all.
Medicine, yes.
So this time is very medicine. But anybody is fever.
Yes.
So he eat medicine. So he was fever, but he has heart problem.
Oh my God, these medicines.
Very hot medicine this time.
No, heart-
It is not fever.
Heart problem.
It is not fever, but he died. He only fever, but he had died. He eat only medicine.
Oh my God, he is and he died.
Yeah, he eat Ayurvedic dawa. He eat jari booty. You know jari booty. It is very powerful.
Yes.
But this jadi booty dawa is many time after he use work. But this time we eat like medicine after 2 minutes he work.
Yes.
Yes. This is all One second.
I have question.
Yes.
Give it you 2 minutes.
Yes.
You are. So it is not powerful of jari booty. You eat jari booty. It is free.
Free, yes.
Yes. It is free. Yes.
Give me back.
No free.
When
You go in forest.
No free.
What can you do? It is not
You
free.
know, like Amit doctor in Deva,
Yes, I have.
he take in some jadi booty, not free.
I will not. I mean, doctor. I will not ask. I will
Like
not.
and
I will not-
any Ayurvedic dawa is not free.
No, you can go. You go. You will go in forest. You
Cut the skin.
But this time,
You are cut the snake. You are go forest. You are cut the snake. What are you doing? You are
We have also very beautiful.
no. You are not. You know this time is. You ask a question. This time is not electricity.
Yeah.
that time is not electricity.
Yes. This time is very summer season. It's not hot.
There was no hot, then why we need
Yes,
electricity?
electricity. He is any what is meaning paid?
Tree.
Hey tree. So he sleep in after, yes. Yeah, this time is Hyderabad. He cut a 400 acre forest.
Oh my God, they are.
It is yes.
This is very bad.
You know what? You know ozone parat.
Yes, I know.
It is cut. It is heat. He go. It is hole. So it is right.
Our planet will destroy.
Yes.
Ayush man.
No planet destroy. You know बिजली कड़कने वाली. You know बिजली.
Yes.
या जब बिजली कड़कती है और वो हवा चलती है तब एक परत होता है.
So why you support modern life? If you don't know what is English, so why you support modern life?
But why you support modern life? He is living in modern life and.
He don't know what is English.
But one point you called Hindi. No problem. This is no problem.
It is problem.
No problem. This is no problem.
It is problem.
This is no
Because
problem.
he speaks English, this is a problem.
Yes.
This is no problem.
Yes.
I don't know what is Hindi. I don't know what is Hindi.
One point.
I not listen. I not listen you.
Yes,
Yes.
okay, yes, I speak.
You know girl bounding.
Oh my
This
God, at the
very yes. At the time, this bounding girl. This not bounding girl.
Yes. What is meaning?
I am not meaning. You are not.
Yes, God.
Why don't you?
You also don't know.
Yes, he speak. I don't know.
Actually, he doesn't want to tell you.
He listen you, so he speak. He don't know what is meaning.
Okay, girls bonding means लड़कियों को मतलब बांध के रखना पहले.
Yes, yes, speak.
Force marriage मतलब जबरदस्ती शादी करना.
Yes, forced marriage, bounding girls and
I listen your question.
Yes.
No, I
Yes,
answer.
answer. Yes, listen.
You know
Yes, please.
what is meaning bhagna?
Hello.
This time is not alone. This time is not alone. Is he go any boy
With any
boy? Yes.
girlfriend.
Yes, this boyfriend is his work. This girl, so he what mean छोड़ना?
Leave.
He'll leave his girl.
Oh my God, that's right now. This is happening. You know, break up every day.
Yes.
Ship every day.
But boy have car. Boy have we work for girls. So he alone his girl. So his work is complete. So he alone.
Leave.
He leave this.
That reason of our parent.
What?
Parents give. Listen. When girl, I want to marry that boy, but our parents not allow.
yes,
You can't marry that boy.
Yes.
So when he start,
Why his father not picking it? Why?
So this is the problem of modern life.
Yes. So
And
this time is any girl, he what is meaning पहनना?
Weird.
He wear half cloth.
Oh, that is why.
That is why. It is modern life. It is modern life. It is not style. His father, he asked why you put on this. It is style. Your sister, he wear half cloth.
Oh, that is why.
That is why. It is modern life. It is modern life. It is not style. His father, he asked why you put on this. It is style. Your sister, your sister is put on half cloth. So he go your father. So your father is asking. It is style. You can put on.
He girl thinking.
Girl
thinking.
Why he does it is modern life? It is not older life. It is not good.
Older life, half.
It is not half. Older life. Put on half full white cloth.
when they older life put on half,
Yes.
we take text.
Do tax. No, it is not tax. What is tax?
होता था. Olden
Olden time is not tax for full cloth.
text था.
It is not.
You don't know older life.
So
It's olden life.
Please stop. I speak what I am speak. So you can.
You don't know older life.
I don't know.
That is Indian constitution.
Why constitution?
What is we cannot speak. So you should not become.
You don't know. You don't know.
Bhima medical he gave 11 adhikar.
Yes.
Olden people is not educated.
Yes.
Not
Very hard point for
not educated. Olden people is not educated. Is go anywhere for pedal.
Yes.
Today is go.
he go Belgali.
No. Today is go aeroplane. It's 2 minutes go.
This is modern life.
2 minutes. Yes.
Yes.
Old people is no Saudiya. Don't know Saudiya.
Yes, they have.
Don't know Saudiya.
Yes, they have no idea about Saudi Arabia.
Please listen. What can you do?
Today's code. Sensitive.
Khoj, what is he speaking Hindi? Khoj.
एक
Research.
research. Today's research.
Please listen me.
Okay.
Yes,
So, but moral education.
Yes.
This
Education there is no right now.
the older life. This time is any poor man, poor children. He want to study, but he had no study. He go in Sarkari school.
His future.
His what is bigadna?
His future destroyed.
His future destroy.
No,
All the,
no, what is Sarkari?
so he has no money. He has no money for eating food. So he where he go?
Money.
What can you do?
Old people no money. Today is money.
Moral education. He go in forest.
No, you are asking for my question. You beggar is why reading children?
हमारे पर
तुमको डिबेट करना है.
I speak. He passed 12th. He have no money. He want to do NEET.
Yes.
But older people were not educated.
No, this time older people is very school of Sarkari. It is you want to you NEET, so you can NEET in free. You can do NEET free.
Free of cost, yes.
You gave this time you want to NEET, so you gave 90,000 rupees. It is very expensive, or you will not pass the 12th, so you gave 4 lakh rupees.
Oh my God.
But this time,
This what right?
Yes, this time is NEET only 2 lakh rupees.
whatever you are watching video and your opinion thought in comment section, and you can say modern life is good versus olden life is good. I am waiting for your comment. Thank you so much for listening.